Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In today's video, we will discuss about the procedure of preservation, dispatch of biological and other evidentiary material. Biological materials deteriorates very rapidly as it is susceptible to atmospheric conditions. It should therefore be sent to the forensic science lab properly preserved as quickly as possible. And relevant information with special reference to the crime should accompany the specimens. Now, what are the general directions about packing and labeling of biological evidences? Each particle should be separately packed. Serial number should be mentioned. Labels should be numbered consecutively and should bear the signature of forwarding officer. Label must not be pasted on weapons or instrument suspected to contain stains. Now, the directions about sealing of or packing of evidentiary material or biological specimens. All parcel should be sealed by dispatching officers and packed in such a manner that they cannot be opened without destroying the seals. Impressions of the keys, coins, buttons, weights must not be used as a seal. पहले ज़माने में ये होता था कि coins या buttons या any type of weight was used as a seal. उसको कंप्रेस करते थे और वो उसको एज अ सील कंसिडर किया जाता था, लेकिन उससे एविडेंस हमारे पास डिस्ट्रॉय हो सकता है, उसको ओपन किया जा सकता है. दैट्स वाई द सील मस्ट बी कंप्लीट in a manner that they cannot be opened without destroying the seal. The seal must be complete. Now, how we forward the evidence? A forwarding letter must be enclosed in the parcel so that the connection of exhibit with the relevant cases is maintained. Exhibit यहाँ पे means any type of evidence, any type of biological evidence, especially maybe blood, maybe semen, maybe saliva, or any type of biological evidences. Evidence की detail में हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे. There are some non-biological evidences as well, but we will focus here on only on biological evidences. The forwarding letter should contain following particulars. एक फॉर्म होता है हमारे पास फॉरवर्डिंग लेटर विच हैज़ द फॉलोइंग पर्टिकुलर्स. उसमें रिपोर्ट नंबर होगा, जो भी रिपोर्ट नंबर आपके पास अथॉरिटीज़ लाती हैं, रिपोर्ट नंबर आपने लिखना है, केस नंबर रेफरेंस, ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ द केस, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ईच पार्टिकल इन पार्सल, नेचर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन रिक्वायर्ड, फॉरवर्डिंग नोट ऑफ द ऑफिसर, name of the investigating officer, and certificate of authority to examine. Here we have some information about packing के उसमें आप विक्टिम नेम ये सारी आप इसमें देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, विक्टिम नेम्स क्या होगा, अटेंडिंग मेडिको लीगल ऑफिसर, पुलिस ऑफ पर्सनल के बारे में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. एंड साथ ही आप यहाँ पे हम कल्चर स्वैब जो यूज़ होता है फॉर द कलेक्शन ऑफ सम एविडेंसेस हियर वी कैन सी. आगे हम लोग नेक्स्ट उसमें देखते हैं कि हाउ वी यूज़ द कल्चर स्वैब. हियर द टाइप ऑफ क्राइम एग्जिबिट, these are some biological evidences that we can find out on the crime scenes, like blood or any type of blood stains, semen we can find out semen stains, saliva stains, and hairs, bone or any type of flesh we can find out. These are some type of biological evidences that we can collect from the crime scenes. We will see in detail how we collect, how we preserve each and every type of biological evidences. Now, what are the precautions? Precautions हम लोगों को before collecting of evidence, biological evidence, what are the precautions? All samples should be collected by wearing hand gloves, with all precautions being taken to avoid any contaminations of the specimens. The sample should be labeled with information including type of specimen. For example, if we have blood, urine, vaginal swabs, anal swabs, तो जो भी स्पेसिमेन होगा लेबल्ड करेंगे, इंक्लूडिंग टाइप ऑफ स्पेसिमेन भी उसमें मेंशन करना है. इफ देयर व्हाट इज द केस नंबर, केस नंबर कौन सा है, नेम, एज, सेक्स ऑफ पेशेंट जो प्रीवियस स्लाइड में हम लोगों ने देखी, डेट ऑफ कलेक्शन, साइट ऑफ कलेक्शन, name of the concerned police officer and name with designation of the doctor. Now we will go in detail of each specimen individually, like blood samples. There are different conditions of blood samples that we can find out in different locations. देखते हैं सबसे पहले condition of sample. If we find out the blood clot in crime scene or in any hospital, so how we collect? To use syringe to collect into EDTA tubes or on gauze or cotton and transfer onto cotton cloth and air dry. ये बात आपने याद रखनी है कि वी विल ड्राई इन रूम टेम्परेचर एयर ड्राई. ये नहीं करना हम लोगों ने कि उसको आप क्लॉथ आप ले लेते हैं ऑन गॉज और कॉटन क्लॉथ आप ले लेते हैं एंड देन यू ड्राई इट इन विद इन फ्रंट ऑफ हीटर और आयरन और इन सनलाइट. तो वो नहीं करना, उसके साथ डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है एविडेंस. तो वी विल ड्राई इट इन रूम टेम्परेचर या एयर ड्राई जो होगा. If we find, the second option is if we find out in liquid form on any scene, we collect the clot in test tube and add equal volume of saline and transfer onto cotton cloth and same air dry कर लेंगे उसको. If we find in wet condition on cloth, the condition of blood is wet and the location is clothing, when we air dry at room temperature and package in a paper bag. Also avoid direct heat ironing to dry the stains as heat destroys the samples. Do not accelerate drying and take care to avoid contamination. Same वही बात है, ठीक है. We will dry it in room temperature. If we find out the blood wet conditions and in any object, we will air dry it at room temperature, transfer the stain on gauze, air dry and pack in the cotton cloth or envelope paper. So these are some different type of conditions of blood, different types of locations of blood sample and how we collect the blood samples. Here you can see that the evidence collection using swabbing. हम swab use करते हैं. We will rub the swab on the stain के ऊपर rub करते हैं and then as you can see here we will pack air dry it and then pack a sealed packed it. Here now how we can find out in different conditions of sample, different location and how we collect the semen as a biological evidence. If the condition is liquid and location is victim, then collect the sample with swabs and should be air dried and packed in paper envelopes. Smear preparation on slide is more suitable than swab for sperm examination, and reference samples of victim and accused must be taken. If we find the semen in stain condition and location is again victim, we collect the sample with swabs and should be air dried and packed in paper envelopes instead of airtight plastic container. If we find the in liquid condition and on any scene, we will transfer onto cotton cloth and similarly we will air dry it. If we find in wet condition and location is clothing, we will air dry at room temperature and package in a paper bag. Avoid direct heat ironing to dry the stains as heat destroys the samples. Do not accelerate drying and take care to avoid contamination. So this was all about the semens, different condition that we find, different location and different types of collections. Now how we find out the saliva. Saliva को हम लोग कैसे in different conditions में हम लोग देखते हैं and different location and how we collect in different conditions. If we find out the saliva on any objects like cigarette, so how we collect? Completely dry cigarettes ends and pack separately in paper bag or envelope, store in a cool dry environment. If we find the saliva stains on clothing, then we completely dry the cigarette ends and pack separately in paper bags or envelopes, store in a cool dry environment. If we find the saliva on any objects like cups or glasses should be sent after drying and wrapping it with paper. ठीक है, तो जो भी यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं जो भी बायोलॉजिकल सैंपल होता है तो उसको हद दर्जे तक कोशिश करनी है कि उसको डिस्ट्रॉय ना किया जाए, क्योंकि आपने उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, एविडेंस को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, तो उससे आपका पूरा जो रिजल्ट आगे होगा वो उससे जो है ना वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो सकता है. तो हियर वी कैन सी अ सिगरेट. इस तरह की सिगरेट अगर इन क्राइम सीन आपको करते पाए जाते हैं तो वी विल ड्राई द बोथ एंड्स एंड पैक इन पेपर एनवेलप, जिस तरह पीछे हम लोगों ने उसमें स्लाइड में देख लिया. तो सिगरेट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ डीएनए सोर्स, डीएनए एविडेंस के तौर पे हम लोग फ्रॉम सलाइवा हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ हियर्स तो कंडीशन ऑफ सैंपल ऑफ हियर लोकेशन एंड कलेक्शन, हाउ वी कैन डू. तो condition of sample with tissue, if we find out the here with tissue on any scene, to collect here with tissue in container and keep refrigerated. अगर here with tissue है and we find out the here in on any scene, we collect here with tissue and container and keep refrigerated. If we find out the here with blood and any scene, we will air dry, collect in a paper packet. If we find out the hair on any person, the sample of hair complete with roots should be taken and collect in a paper packet. So this was all about the different condition of sample of hair location and how we collect it. Now tissue or any aborted fetus, and mostly aborted fetus we can find out in hospitals. So location, if hospital is the location, then tissue sample and fetus should be stored in normal saline. याद रखना है कि we will preserve it in normal saline. Formalin should never be used as preservatives, and glass container should not be used. Blood sample of the mother should be sent along with the fetus. If we find out the bones or teeth इन हॉस्पिटल, तो हॉस्पिटल में ही लाए. अगर आप बाहर भी कहीं वो करते हैं, बोन्स और टीथ आपको कहीं मिलते हैं, तो फॉर एग्जामिनेशन विद द रेफरेंस ऑफ अथॉरिटी, जो लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट अथॉरिटी है, वी कैन प्रिजर्व इट इन हॉस्पिटल. तो कलेक्शन हम कैसे करेंगे बोन्स और टीथ की? एयर ड्राइड एट रूम टेम्परेचर, सील द आइटम इन सुटेबल क्लॉथ और पेपर. Now there are some other biological samples as well. If the sample is vomit and location is any hospital or any scene, then how we collect it? Should be collected in chemically clean glass covered containers. In case of dried stain, moisten the stain with distilled water. Collect moistened stain with foam tipped swabs, gauze piece and air dry. Pack this dried swabs in paper envelope. Collect swabs of different spots in different packets envelope or in different envelopes. If we find out the stool in hospital or in any scene, should be collected in chemically clean glass covered containers. Similarly, if we find out the stomach wash in hospital, the stomach should be ligated on both ends and dissected out. Then the greater curvature should be opened up as that the container contents directly pour into a wide mouth glass bottle. तो स्टोमक का ये होता है कि मोस्टली इन पॉइजनिंग केसेस ये होता है कि, और इन केस ऑफ पोस्टमार्टम में जब हम लोग कंटेंट्स लेते हैं तो जो ग्रेटर कर्वेचर होता है स्टोमक का, वहाँ से लेते हैं, क्योंकि फूड ज़्यादातर फॉर सम टाइम मस्ट बी देयर इन ग्रेटर कर्वेचर ऑफ द स्टोमक. If there is any residual food on any scene, it should be collected in chemically clean glass covered containers, and cooking utensils, empty containers and the containers of the residual food should also be collected. So this was all about how is the sample in different location and how we collect and preserve different type of biological evidences. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.